Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VMware Workstation Pro 17 for free on Fedora Linux operating systems. First open any web browser, then go to VMware.com. Now click on this search box and search for desktop hypervisor. Click on the first one, that is desktop hypervisor. Then click on desktop hypervisor again. Scroll down. See here we have the VMware Workstation Pro for PC. Click on download now. Now we have to log in. But if you haven't account, click on this login. Then click on register. Then we have to fill all the details. Then we will receive email for confirmation. Then go back here and click on VMware Workstation. Then you will receive this screen. So provide the username that you have registered. Then click on next again. Then provide the password that you have given. Hit enter. See, the above mail ID is wrong. Now click on this drop down and select the VMware Cloud Foundation. Then scroll down. See, we are unable to find workstation. So click on next page. Then see here we have the VMware Workstation Pro. Click on it. Then see here we have the versions from VMware Workstation Pro 15.0 to 17.0. Click on the latest one, that is VMware Workstation Pro 17.04 for Linux. See here we have the versions from 17.0 to 17.6.2. It is the latest one, so click on it. Now click on download. Sometimes here we will have the checkbox to accept the agreement. So we have to select the checkbox, then only we will be able to click on download. Okay, then in that case select it and click on download. Click on download. See, download started and its size is 372 megabytes. Wait until download completes. ls, see here we have the bundle file. We have to install this bundle file, but we can't install directly. First we have to make this as executable. chmod +x. Then give the first two letters of this bundle file, hit enter, ls. See, color has been changed, now it is executable. But before running this file, we have to, before installing bundle file, we have to install this one. Install this. Before installing, also install this one. Type and hit enter. Now install. Now install this file, sudo // then give the VM, give the tab and hit enter. See, now it is extracting VMware installer and it is installing. Installation was successful. Now go to start, show applications. See here we have the VMware Workstation. Click on it. Now select this I accept terms in the license agreement and click on next. Also accept terms in the license agreement and click on next. Do you like to check for the product updates on startup? No. Then click on next. I don't want to join the customer experience improvement program. No, and click on finish. Authenticate. See, we have successfully installed, but it is not asking for the license agreement, but sometimes it asks us. Okay, so click on create a new virtual machine, then typical, then next, then you have to select the location, physical drive and location, ISO image. Okay, cancel it, or you can click on file and new virtual machine, both are same. Okay, so help about VMware Workstation. Suppose if it asks for the license information, select the for personal use. Okay, then it will be free. Okay, so go to terminal, ls. We have successfully installed VMware Workstation Pro 17. So remove this one, it is not required anymore. Use the tab, hit enter, ls. So we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to install VMware Workstation Pro 17 on Fedora Linux 41. But the process is same on all Fedora Linux operating systems. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.